We're on 11-4, work together. I'm going to just point out something here to save us some time. It says post the October 31st, post October 31st, post October 31st, post October 31st, column totals, column totals, column totals. So I'm going to expand my journal so that we can save time. It says sales journal. So we go to sales journal. And it says column totals. Okay, so here, accounts receivable debit. So we go to the accounts receivable. It's on the 31st, right? And it's from the sales journal, page 10. What is it? It's a debit. 7377.60. Debit plus a debit equals what? Add or subtract? How many of you caught that? Okay. What do we do with this number? We have to put it in parentheses under there. That way we don't get it confused. This is a posting number. An account number is not a number with the money, dealing with the money. I hope that made sense. Okay. Next, we have to post this total. Sales credit. So we go to sales. It's the 31st. It's a sales journal that we're posting from. And it's a credit. 6960. And if I had 100 different of these entries in here, I only have to post this total. That's why it saves time. Okay, do my math because we got a credit here. Add or subtract? I hope you said add. Take this count number, put it in parentheses. Now we have to post this. Sales tax payable, 31st, S10. It's a credit, meaning that we owe the IRS that money. A credit plus a credit equals a bigger credit. Take that number, put it in parentheses. Voila. So we are done with the step 1. Now it says go to the purchase journal. And we have to post the totals. Okay, we got purchase debit here. So we go to the purchase debit. Purchases, there it is. It's the 31st. This is the purchase journal, page 10. Debit, $11,818.40. And a debit plus a debit equals a bigger debit. So you're adding. Hopefully I did my math right. If I didn't, you can correct it. Parentheses, the account number. Oops. Account number is 5110. What'd I forget? I forgot my parenthesis. And it's this. You're going to have to click on both of them. Even though I told you not to do that. You have to go now to the accounts payable. Okay, where's accounts payable? There it is. Sorry. 31st. P what? P10. Purchase journal 10. Accounts payable credit. Tells us if we just listen to it or read it. Now a credit and a credit equals a bigger credit. So we're doing what? Adding. Take this number and we put it here. Now, because it's a drop down, click down box, it didn't give us a choice to wait to do that. Okay, next we need to do the cash receipts journal. You want to do it in the order that they tell you to. Okay, we're posting this total. Accounts receivable. So accounts receivable, and it's a credit. CR. Let's see, give me the number. You know it. CR12. Okay, it's a credit here. So it has to be a credit here. Debit, credit, which one's bigger? So we're going to have a debit balance. They're opposite, so we're going to subtract them. Oops. Then we take this account number, put it in parentheses. Okay, sales credit. Sales. Is that sales? Yep. So 31st. CR. I'm going to hit enter. Ooh, good. I hope that's right. Okay, sales credit. So we put it in the credit. Credit plus a credit equals a. Please say a bigger credit. Then we take this account number, parentheses, then we go sales tax payable, sales tax payable credit, see that? Credit and a credit, you would add, they're the same, so add. So we come up with 2923.68. Take the account number, put it in parentheses. Let me do the next one. Sales discount debit. Debit amount, $31.40. A debit plus a debit equals a bigger debit. You're adding account number, parentheses, okay. Next step, cash receipts journal. Whoops, we're doing the cash payments journal now. Just have to post these totals. So we need to go to where? What do we do with this? We're going to put a check mark here. Because when they're individuals, we posted them already to these accounts. So check mark. I wonder if I was supposed to have done that. Let me go back to cash receipts journal. See, they didn't give us a chance. So, okay, I didn't mess up. I have to check those other ones out too. Accounts payable debit. I wonder, they want it in parentheses. Duh. Boy, was I silly. Okay. We have accounts payable debit amount. So, 31st. It's from the cash payments journal. Page 15. This doesn't really want to work, does it? Okay. Debit, $8,656. So we have a credit here, a debit here. They're opposite, so we will subtract. This credit is bigger than this debit, so we'll have a credit balance. Do your math. The account number in parentheses. Go to the purchases discount. Oops, purchases discount. I guess I'm going to have to slide the bar if I want to. CP 15, if I remember right. And it's a credit. So and a credit plus a credit equals a bigger credit. So we add. Take the account title, or account number, sorry, not title. Put it there. And we go to cash. Cash credit. I've been to our cash debit. Ooh, I bet you I messed up. Let's go to our cash receipts journal. I didn't scroll over far enough. Look at that. I caught it. We should have posted this cash debit. I knew we should have had a debit in there first. So on the 31st, sorry about that. Hopefully you caught it and you're not having to go back and redo it like I am. and it's a debit of $25,747.80. This represents the money that we received. Yeah, money made. We like money, or I do. I like to make money. I like to spend it, but I don't like it when it shows up in my account that I spent it. Okay, take that number, put it in parentheses, 1110, parentheses. Now, we'll return to the cash payment. Sorry, I messed you up, but we caught it. 31st. I go up here, go to cash payments. See, if I had posted to that cash payments and then went back and did that cash receipts, I would have had an error and it would have counted it wrong. So it's important that you catch those and you correct those. It's a credit of $18,704.16. That is what we spent. Here's a debit, a credit. Which one's bigger? Well, the debit is. They're opposite, so we subtract. We come up with a new balance of $20,279.22. Take this account number, put it in parentheses, and I think we're done. Now, if I made a mistake, correct it. I'm glad you caught it. I managed to catch my one error. You have a great day. We'll keep on working away. We're going on to 11-5.